Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Easy English with Chani. Let's learn English step by step. Today, we will talk about feelings. How are you today? Hello, Anna. Hi, Chani. How are you today? I am fine. Thank you. And you? I am happy today. That's great. Why are you happy? Because it's a beautiful day. Let's practice now. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm tired. I'm fine. I'm okay. Here we use I'm plus feeling words. I'm happy. I'm tired. I'm fine. I'm means I am. I'm means I am. You can say I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm okay. Let's practice together. How are you today? I'm fine. How are you today? I'm happy. How are you today? I'm sad. How are you today? I'm tired. How are you today? I'm fine. How are you today? I'm okay. Okay, now you can answer. How are you today? Good. Now you ask. I'm fine. How are you now, Chani? I'm very happy because I'm with my friends. Good job. Next time, we will learn about what do you do. Bye bye.